Hello friends, today I will show you how you can look up or how you can write a formula which looks up in number slabs. Let me explain you through some sample data and illustration that I have in front of me. So we have product listed in column A, product in column B we have product category. These products have been categorized as A, B, C and D, and in column C we have sales. Column D has percentage contribution to the total sales. Total sales is 84,000. So smartphones, for example, is contributing 11.9% to the total sales of 84,000. Now in column E, I need to pick up discount which is applicable to this product. Now how we will arrive to this discount? For that we have made a grid of discount applicable to the product basis two condition. One is category of the product A, B, C or D listed in columns like this, and percentage contribution slab in row like this. So if a product which falls in category B and which has a contribution of greater than 0 and less than or equal to 3.5% will fall in this. This will be the grid applicable to the product. Now I'll tell you how the grid will work. Anything which is 0 to 3.5 will have the grids listed here. 3 to 7, 3.5 to 7.5 the grids are here. 7.5 to 9.5 the grids is here. 9.5 to 11 the grid is here, and anything which is in excess of 11.5% the grid is here. So let's say for printers, if it falls in category D and it has a contribution of 8.2, so first it will look in category D and 8.2 falls over here, because as I said, 7.5 to 9.5 would be this one. So 3.7 is the percentage which is applicable for printers. Now let's do this with a formula. Normally when we come across this situation, the first thing that strike our mind is we would use a if condition, an if condition with a combination of and. But if you write an if condition here, we will have to write multiple ifs. Like for example, we need to check which category is it. Is it A, B, C or D? Then we need to check the slabs as well. Is it falling under 0 to 5? Is it less than 5, 3.5, greater than 7.5, less than 9.5, and so forth. So that will involve quite a complex and lengthy formula, and it becomes very difficult for people to understand these formulas when they come and see the report at a later stage. So let's do this formula in a very simple way. So we will use a Vlookup. So I'll write is equal to Vlookup. I need to look up this value in this grid. Let me freeze this range. I need to check the category of the product, so I would use a match. In this range, fixing this, I need an exact match. I'm doing a 0, close parenthesis. Now here lies the trick. Normally in most of the situations we use a 0, which is for an exact match, but here we will not find an exact match. We have slabs here, so I will use a 1 over here, which is an approximate match, and that should do the trick for us. So if I drag this formula right to the bottom till here, Control D. See, printers 3.7 as we have checked earlier as well. So this is a very simple formula, a very simple VLOOKUP formula. Now my Intention is not to teach you VLOOKUP. I presume that you know VLOOKUP when you're going through this tutorial. I presume that you know VLOOKUP, and this is VLOOKUP in the most basic form. Important one is how to tackle these kind of these kind of problems with a very simple solution of a VLOOKUP. Thank you very much.